How often do you make your dreams a reality? Well, I woke up today feeling like that's exactly what I wanted to do. Now, this is going to be something that I've never done before. So I got up, put on my comfy slippers, washed my face, brushed my teeth, had some breakfast, and looked for a t-shirt that I knew was going to be perfect for this project. I tried it on just to make sure it still fits, and yeah, it's definitely needing a little something. But hold on, she needs a little bit of TLC. Okay, now she's all ironed out, I took my design from my last video and added some color. This design's gonna be perfect for what I wanna do. Can you guess what I'm doing yet? I got out my tools, my paintbrushes, and looked for all the paints that I knew that I had in my cupboard. This is from years ago when I used to paint trainers, so I'm hoping that this is gonna work. I tried to trace my design using my iPad, but that didn't work. So instead I printed out an outline using some vinyl. And this is my first time painting on clothes. First things first, I'm gonna go in with my base colors. In between coats, I'm gonna use a hairdryer to set the paint so I can keep going. Once it was time to start painting the flowers, I realized the color wasn't coming through. So I went in with 2 coats of white paint first so the color could pop. I'm not gonna lie, at this point I was super tired, so I decided to take a break. The next day, I woke up determined to finish this project, so I got myself some fresh water and headed straight back into it. All that was left to do was paint my flowers, add my shadows, and clean up the line work. Whew! Let's see if I can do it. I'm just using some black paint to clean up and adding any extra details that I may have missed. The last step is to seal the paint using my heat press, or you could use an iron. Okay, the project is finished, so now it's time to see if I really brought my dream to life. Enjoy the reveal.